Hello, this will be a quick video tutorial where we'll go over how to attach documents or files to WC Online for an appointment. In addition to attaching files for written feedback appointments where the consultant requires a draft to add comments, you can also add documents to your appointments if you wish to give the consultant the rubric or prompt of the assignment to prepare ahead of the session, though this is not a requirement. For written feedback appointments, you would simply attach the file as you're making the appointment. Scrolling down after filling out the information for your appointment, you'll see an option for file attachments at the end of your screen. You will then click Choose File, select the file you want to upload in your computer, and click Open. You also have the option of naming your files to keep track of them in case you're uploading several of them. After clicking Create Appointment, your files will be attached to the appointment form. The second way to attach a file is after you have already created an appointment. You'll click on your appointment block, which should be a dark blue color, then scroll all the way down until you see an option for Attach File in yellow. You will then be able to select the file, name it, and attach it to your appointment form using the same process as earlier. The third and last option to attach a file is clicking Edit Appointment, which will lead you to the original appointment form where you can also attach a file at the bottom. Then click Save Changes to finalize the file attachment. Keep in mind that every file you attach stays in your appointment form. So if you find that you have uploaded several documents, make sure to label the final draft that you would like for us to use so you know which file to review for your appointment. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or you would like to schedule an appointment, please contact us through any of our contact forms on screen. Thank you for listening.